Is your Instagram mention sticker showing up white or invisible when you tag someone in your story? In this guide, I will show you how to fix it. First of all, check the server status of Instagram. For that, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website Town Detector. Now, type in Instagram and search for it. If you found out any outages, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved. Next thing you want to do is update the Instagram app. For that, close this, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. With these, your problem might be fixed. If still you are having the issue, launch your Instagram, log out and log in back to your account. So navigate to your profile page, click on three bars at the top right, scroll all the way down and click on the option logout. Now wait for a few minutes and again provide your credentials and log in back. If none of these solutions work, completely delete app from your device and reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the Instagram app, click on Remove App, click on Delete App and click on Delete. Then navigate to Play Store or App Store, search for the app Instagram and then install it. And that's it. These are some fixes for Instagram mention story white problem. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.